George, this is a state case anyway, so I don't have an offer on it.
Do I just zoom back in on a date at the same time?
Hold on a second, Mr. Williams. Trying to all right. Ms. McRipley, Attorney McRipley, if you could just hold tight for a minute, he needs to go someplace, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do his matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Douglas Williams Jr. This is ticket number X3933083, count 1, reckless driving. Also calling ticket number SP11630732. Well, count 1 of that ticket is roadway divided into 2 or more marked lane, covered lane restriction. Also, count 2 of that ticket was violation of basic speed laws, drove in an unsafe manner. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Rachel McRipley, appearing on behalf of Douglas Williams.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Douglas Williams.
The date and time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, Ms. McRipley?
Your Honor, we would waive a formal reading of the information and stand mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Mr. Williams does have to go and pick up, he said, his child, and I don't know how long it will take for these matters. So the court is going to give him a new date of April 12th. It's gonna be in the morning time instead though, sir, okay? So it's gonna be at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
At $0 personal. Let me caution you though, as you say you're going to speak to your daughter. Some of these tickets have to drive with unsafe manners, unsafe speeds. Please be mindful of your speeds, especially when your child is in the vehicle.
Okay, I understand.
So we'll see you back on the date of April the 12th, 2022, 8:30 a.m. Personal bond at $0 on each one of these tickets. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Okay, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. You finished with everybody else, Miss Jordan? I mean, you're not Jordan.
It's okay. We're all ready.
Okay. Sorry about that. I'm so used to it.
That's okay. Sonia Williams is probably the quickest. It's a dismissal.
Okay. So Williams, then what after that? It doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Everyone, please remain muted until we call this matter. You want to sign us in? I forgot. Officer. You want to sign us in? I just want to wait until tomorrow. She reminded me I didn't let you do it. I gotta remember. I'm so bad at that. Did you want to start court or did you want to wait until tomorrow to start court tomorrow? Like saying a name. Miss Sonia Williams?
Yes.
Okay. Can you get yourself a little bit more on the camera for me, please? There you go, ma'am. Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sonia Williams. This is ticket number P1223252. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count three, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Rachel McRipley, appearing on behalf of Sonia Williams. Please state your name, ma'am.
Sonia Williams.
Your Honor,
Yeah, go ahead, Ms. Williams.
there is a recommendation from the prosecutor that this matter be dismissed. She did pay on the civil infractions.
Well, seeing that you paid on the civil infraction, they are willing to dismiss this matter without prejudice, ma'am, so you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Tiffany Wallace Griffin. Tiffany Wallace Griffin. All right. Delitha Williams.
Yes.
All right, call your matter. Now calling the matters of the people versus Delitha Williams. This is case number P13022742. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1301952. Count one, expired plate. Count two, failed to properly secure passenger child. Count three, failed to secure child under 4 years old in car seat. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rachel McRipley, appearing on behalf of Delitha Williams. Can you please state your name?
Delitha Williams.
How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, there was an offer made where if she pleads responsible to the two civil infractions for failure to secure a child, they would dismiss the other counts. She's willing
Is that
to.
how you want- Sorry, is that how you want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, ma'am, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
All right, and she's informing me that you want to take advantage of this plea of responsible. What that means is that I'll read from the ticket to establish a factual basis, and then I'll assess a fine that's in accordance with that by the statute. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. And 145. Thank you. All right, on the date of January the 20th of 2022, in the area of Wyoming and Kendall Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Williams was driving a Jeep vehicle and did fail to properly secure her passenger child and did fail to secure child under 4 years old in a car seat. Satisfied, Attorney McRipley?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to count 2 and 3 of ticket P1301952. Dismiss count 1 of that ticket and dismiss ticket P1302742 in its entirety. Ms. Williams, the fine for both of those civil infractions are $120 a piece. So that's a total of $240. Civil infractions usually have to be paid in 14 days. Is 14 days gonna be enough time for you to pay that, ma'am?
No, could I get like 30?
Absolutely. Okay, is 30 days gonna be enough time, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you until April the 25th, 2022 to have those fines paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Ma'am, make sure you secure your child properly in the car, okay?
Yes.
Okay, all right. There's nothing further. It concludes the hearing. Have a good day.
Judge, I didn't know if you saw the note for Ms. Wallace Griffin. For
I
some
did.
reason, not letting her.
Well, she was able, and then we muted her because by the time she wanted to join back, we had already moved on to a new case. So we'll figure it out in a minute. We'll do
Okay.
Mr. Jerry Wright first. Right.
How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jerry Wright. This is ticket number P1244062. Count one, operator or front seat passenger failed to wear safety belt. Also calling ticket number P1242965. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rachel McRipley appearing on behalf of Jerry Wright. Can you please state your name, sir?
Jerry, right?
Your Honor, there was an offer made for him to plead responsible to the seatbelt charge, and the remaining counts would be dismissed. He wishes to avail himself of that.
Is that right, Mr. Wright?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, Mr. Wright. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to take advantage of this plea today of responsible to the seatbelt violation. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to read from the ticket, okay?
Okay.
On the date of September the 8th of 2021 in the area of Chalmers and the Chalmers I-94 ramp, Mr. Wright was driving a Jeep vehicle and did fail to wear his safety belt. Satisfied, Attorney McRipley?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
I'll stipulate it.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to one count operator or front seat passenger failed to wear safety belt. Dismiss ticket P1242965 in its entirety. Sir, the fine for no seatbelt is $65. You have
Okay.
14 days to be able to pay that. I believe that you should be able to
Okay.
come up with that in 14 days, okay?
Yes. Yes, I can. Yes.
All right. It's due on April the 6th of 2022, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing
Thank you.
further, that concludes this hearing. You're welcome. You have a good day. I should ask though, is that enough time for you to pay that fine?
Yeah. I get paid actually on the 8th, but I'm sure my mom can help me until then.
Do you need a little bit more time, Mr. Wright?
I mean, to the 8th would be perfect.
Okay,
The 8th of April.
okay. I'm gonna extend it to the 8th of April. I'm gonna do it to the 9th. If you get
Okay.
paid on the 8th to the 9th, that way you got that extra day, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further. This concludes this hearing because it's your
Thank you.
duty. I know you can ask your mom, but it's your duty to pay it, okay?
Right. Right.
Okay,
Okay.
all right, have a good day. All right, Mr. Wright.
Okay. You do.
Miss Benaja Williams?
It's Phanesia.
Benaja, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Benaja. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Benaja Williams. This is ticket number P1239363. One count, driver's license never required. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rachel McRipley appearing on behalf of Phanesia Williams. Can you please state your name?
Phanesia Williams.
Your Honor, there was an offer for her to plead to an amended charge of improper plates. She wishes to avail herself of that offer.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, have you had the opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 21st of 2021. Were you in the area of Cedar Grove and Broad Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have a license?
No, I didn't.
All right, satisfied, Attorney McRicken?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on her behalf. Ms. Williams, are you working on getting your license?
Yes, ma'am.
How far are you working on getting your license?
As soon as possible. I just started back working, so
When did
I'm
you
gonna
start
get
back?
on. Excuse me?
I said, when did you start back working?
It's been 2.5 weeks.
Okay, all right. You had never had your license though, did you?
No, I haven't.
I got your license.
I have a lot going on in my life, so I'm working on it.
What is working on it mean? I'm asking
When-
because you're so young and I don't want you to start getting a
Yeah.
whole lot of
When I-
unnecessary.
When I'm able to. Right now, I'm not in a situation I can, but I have to do everything on my own. Even though I'm so young, I always have to do everything on my own. So I'm working on it.
Okay,
Right now, I'm working. So
all right. Okay, you got a job, so you have employment. You're not driving to work, are you?
no,
Okay, all right. I'm gonna waive your cost and fines today, okay? Good luck to you.
thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Get your license when you can, though. It's very important, okay? Just
Yes,
because that'll stop you from being able to do things you need to do. And it's nice to just have it, even if you're not driving, so that you can have that license on you to be able to
Yes.
do stuff, okay?
Yes, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. All right, keep pushing, keep striving, keep moving. Have a good day.
Thank you, you as well.
You're welcome. All right.
Bye-bye.
All right. Ms. Wallace Griffin, I'm gonna ask you to unmute now. It should allow you.
She sent a text. She sent a text saying that she can't take herself off unmute. She can't take her. She says she can't take herself. Well, I still can't unmute. So
Well,
let me ask her to unmute. I didn't mute her, but let me ask her to unmute. Maybe that'll work.
okay.
Okay, maybe if we remove her and let her sign back in with audio, Judge.
Yeah, that's what's gonna have to happen.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, can you hear us okay now?
Yeah, I'm very sorry. I don't know what was happening. It wouldn't let me connect.
That's okay. All right, let me call your matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tiffany Wallace Griffin. This is ticket number P1227943. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2, fail to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 3, obstructed vision. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rachel McRipple, appearing on behalf of Tiffany Wallace Griffin. Can you please state your name, ma'am?
Tiffany Wallace Griffin.
Yeah, there was an offer for her to plead responsible, the amended count 1 to blockading, and the other counts would be dismissed. She wants to avail herself of that.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Wallace?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Oh, she must be in a bad cell place. I can hear you breaking up, but we can't hear you. I can hear you trying, but I can't break out, I can't make out all the words. Okay, all right. Eric Walton. No, he can just read the ticket instead of doing community service. Well, he should tell me that. Didn't I ask him that? I got his phone number contact, but the judge is in the room. You just asked him. Didn't I?
Can you hear me now?
I can, Ms. Wallace. Can you hear us okay now?
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Okay. Back
I
on the
just got
record.
this phone. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You were explaining something to me, ma'am?
No, I was saying like I do understand what you were saying.
All right. Do you have all that, Miss Sandy? Okay, I just want to make sure. All right. And did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today, Miss Wallace, about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And she's informing me that you want to take advantage of this. It's a responsible fee. Means I'll read from the ticket and assess a fine that goes with that. That's based on the statute. Do you understand that, Miss Wallace?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna read from the ticket that on August the 29th of 2021, in the area of Finkel and Grayfield Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Wallace Griffin was driving a Chevy vehicle and disregarded a traffic control device blocking traffic. Satisfied, Attorney McRipley?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading, dismiss counts 2 and 3 of this ticket on her behalf. Ma'am, the fine for that is $175. Typically on civil infractions, you only have 14 days to pay. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll have it due no later than April the 6th, 2022, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too. I appreciate it.
Oh, no problem, of course. You have a great day, ma'am.
What else do I do?
You want me to get you off?
Yeah.
Okay, she got it. That's it. You can take us off YouTube.
Okay.